Hi everyone, it's me Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hope you're all having an amazing day, whatever it is you're doing. Happy New Year, guys. I cannot believe we are in 2026 already. That is so exciting. And just in case you didn't read the title of this video, this is the introduction to my 2026 Project Pan, and I'm so excited to dive into this. Just in case you don't know who I am, hi, I am Sammy. I'm a single mum and I'm balancing beauty, cooking, cleaning and budgeting in my day-to-day life. And this year in 2026, I want to bring it all together in one year-long Project Pan challenge. I want to make 2026 the year of using what I have, saving my money, and also finding joy in those everyday routines. And this is the introduction to it all. I'm going to be running through everything that I'm planning to do in my 2026 Project Pan in this very video, guys. So if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world to me. And without further ado, let's dive into this. Now, just very quickly, in case you haven't ever seen any Project Pan sort of content or you're not aware of what it is, the original concept comes from sort of like the beauty genre here on YouTube and on social media and stuff, of panning your makeup products. So when a makeup product, you hit the silver tin at the bottom of the product, that is the pan, and it's called hitting pan when you can see that silver pan coming through sort of like your eyeshadows, your blushes, that kind of stuff. But it's now become a project in sort of like the beauty genre where you try and finish as many products as you can, and Project Pan is where you're trying to hit pan. Empty pan, like completely pan a product, is when you completely finish it. And yeah, so what I'm going to be doing this year is applying that concept to 4 different categories. First up, I'm still going to be doing my makeup, so that goes without saying. Like, I'm still going to be doing my beauty, and I'm going to be using skincare and makeup empties and doing little challenges and stuff like that, and trying to see how many makeup and skincare products I finish throughout the year. I'm then going to apply it to my cooking category in something that one of you very cleverly named Project Pantry. Absolutely love that name, and that is going to stick this year, so thank you to the person that suggested that in my comments. You are a genius. So that's where we're going to be utilizing things in our cupboard, like that tin of hot dogs that you've had in the back of your cupboard for forever, the tins of tuna, or whatever you have in your cupboard, or whatever I have in my cupboard. We're going to be going through cupboard and freezer, sort of miscellaneous goods, whatever we can find, and we're going to be utilizing our pantries. That 5-spice jar that you've had in your cupboard, we're going to be doing recipes to use up all the stuff in our pantries and in our freezer. I'm going to be creating really fun recipes that will show you sort of how to utilize those and how to use them up. And we're also going to be reducing food waste massively in that sort of part of Project Pan as well, using what we have in the house before buying new. It's going to be really fun to apply that into my cooking this year. And then how we're going to apply it to our cleaning products is using up all those half empty bottles before we buy anything new. So I went through a stage of loving Mrs. Hinch and her content, and I used to spend a lot of money on cleaning products, and every now and then for some reason I just tend to splurge even now. And it's not necessary, because I've got 5 bottles of bleach under my kitchen sink. I didn't need a new fragrance bleach. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, I need to crack down. I've got an sort of outside shed utility space as well, which is full of cleaning products. I've got massive hoards of it under my bathroom and my kitchen sinks, so I just need to actually get through those, and I'm going to start like sort of using what I have again and saving money there, and just, yeah, again, just getting through these collections of stuff I have around the house, food, cleaning products, makeup and beauty, and just using what I have and not buying anything new as far as I can help it. And then also there are going to be occasional budgeting videos in this Project Pan as well. We're going to try and keep a track of the savings and everything that we're accumulating through doing Project Pan, and just having sort of like a reflection on budgeting and money saving and things like that. So that's going to be another little, it's not going to be every month, those videos, maybe once a quarter. We'll sort of run through sort of where we're at with our budgeting and sort of how Project Pan's helping us save money and things like that. But I just thought that would be an interesting concept to add in to sort of show the benefits of doing a Project Pan like this. So if you've ever found yourself with 5 open mascaras, 3 half-used bottles of bleach in your bathroom, or a cupboard full of loads of random pasta shapes all in half packets, this is going to be the series for you. I've set myself some goals for 2026 to sort of keep us on track throughout this project pan and to make sure it has sort of like an end goal. With regards to my beauty, I really want to finish and complete 10 makeup products. And I also want to get through as much of the backlog of skincare as I can. So that's going to be like setting myself the challenge of complete as many as you possibly can. So it'll be interesting to see how many skincare I can complete. But 10 is the goal for makeup, just because it's a lot harder to finish makeup products. But the goal is 10, so I'm sticking with that for 2026. With regards to cooking, I don't really have many goals. I do like having like a store cupboard with a pantry and stuff, but I want to make sure that it's products that I'm constantly using and refreshing and stuff like that, and not sort of having products at the back going to waste and then expiring, things like that. So I want a workable, usable pantry system. Ideally, I want to reduce the amount of food waste. I really don't want a lot of food waste, so I want to reduce that massively. Not that I have too much food waste as it is, but I just want to have as minimal food waste this year as I possibly can, like as humanly possible. And I also want to create some seasonal budget meal plans as well, and really focus on my meal planning, and also sharing that with you guys as well, how I meal plan and how I keep to such strict budgets with my grocery shopping. With regards to my cleaning products, I would love to have it all cut down to a very minimal amount that can just stay in one little cupboard under my sink, and that's all I need. And just as I'm finishing it, replace it, and just have a core set of products that I'm using. Other than that, I want to utilize as much as I can and just have a smaller collection of products to rotate. And then my goal with the budgeting is to show sort of quarterly savings and to actually prove that Project Pan really does work, and to show the actual savings that you can accumulate through all these different categories, and how we can save so much money by doing this. I really want to show that in my budgeting. That's my budgeting goal, is to prove and show and work hard enough that I can show you actual savings with this. As a single mum, of course, I know that every penny counts, and I want to show that all these small amounts add up to quite a substantial amount when you put it all together. So how this series is going to work this year is every single Wednesday I'm going to be uploading a new video, apart from this kickoff video, which is on a Friday. Each week is going to rotate through beauty, cleaning, cooking, with some seasonal twists thrown in there as well. And then of course we're going to wrap up at the end of the year and show the progress throughout the year. And also guys, throughout the months I'm going to be setting you guys some mini challenges as well, because I really want you guys to get involved and join in as well. So I'm actually going to be setting you guys some mini challenges throughout this Project Pan, so brace yourself, because here come your first mini challenges. So I've got a mini challenge for beauty, cooking and cleaning, so you can pick one, you can pick all three, whatever you want to do. But the beauty challenge for you this month is to pick one makeup product and one skincare product that you would like to try and finish by the end of January. Now, if you want a cooking mini challenge, then I challenge you to find 3 items, either in your pantry or in your freezer, to finish by the end of the month. And if you would like a cleaning mini challenge, then I challenge you to find 2 nearly empty products and commit to finishing those before the end of January if possible. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys, on what Project Pan 2026 is looking like for me. I'd love to hear your feedback on it. Also, let me know if you are going to be doing any of the mini challenges. Let me know which ones you've chosen to do, and also if you are doing it, let me know what your first product that you want to pan for 2026 is. So you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me every single Wednesday for weekly updates. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you for love and support on my channel. It means the absolute world to me. And yeah guys, let's make 2026 the year we finish what we start together. Take care. Bye.